Hello guys, welcome to FinTech Space with Timbis, your gateway to mastering the intricacies of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Kindly subscribe to this channel and put on your notification bell for updates. Ensure that you like our videos after watching so that YouTube can recommend to others as well. Do enjoy your stay on this channel. Stay tuned. So guys, welcome back. Very quickly, I want to show you how you can trade or withdraw USDT into Naira or your fiat currency, whether Ghana cedis or any other fiat currencies that you are using in your locality. But for the course of this video, I'll be trading and withdrawing the USDT into Naira via the peer-to-peer transaction on ByBit. If you don't have a ByBit uh, account, I'm going to drop the link in the description below. Kindly check for it and open the ByBit account and install the app. So very quickly, now I'm already on my ByBit app. So now I want to quickly change some little coins, USDT into Naira. I need some money. So and I want to trade and convert them into my local currency, which is Naira. So right now, just tap on assets as you have done here. Tap on assets. So and then click on funding. So you can click on funding as you have it here. Click on funding. So now I already have USDT in my wallet. So this is a video on how you can trade or withdraw your USDT into your fiat or local currency. So just click on the USDT as you can see on the top. So right now I have 44 USDT on my wallet, and I intend to sell 20 USDT out of the 44 that I have. So right now you are going to click on sell. That is what you have it. So mind you, I'm using ByBit. I'm using ByBit. So on Binance is a little bit different, but still the same procedure. So I'm going to also do for Binance too later. So but this is for ByBit. So a little bit different, but the same techniques, the same procedure. So just click on sell as you can see on the screen. So once you click on sell, you are going to type in the amount that you intend to sell. So and roughly you can say the amount you intend to get from what you intend to sell, looking at the current exchange rate of minimum of 1,500 naira. So if you are selling 20 USDT, that is minimum of 30,000 naira. So you can just type in 30,000 naira. So it is for the Bybit to actually filter for you vendors that are actually selling minimum of 30,000 naira and above. So you don't have to stress yourself looking for correct and legit vendors. So right now, before you pick any trade or before you go into any P2P transactions, there are some things that I would want you to know. I want you to know. So now look at this guy, this IDN Tech. You can see there's a verification badge right in front of him, in front of the name. Look at the orders that he has completed, 5,589 orders. Look at his completion rate, 93%. So that's to show you he has a very good completion rate. So you should always deal with vendors that have a minimum of 80% and they have a good number of orders. So sometimes you might go with vendors that are verified or vendors that are not verified, but make sure that they have a high completion rate with a good number of orders, at least minimum of 500 orders if they don't have a verified badge on them. So it's just to play safe, so you won't have to be worried about someone more or less duping you. And this is a warning: don't go behind Bybit to go and make your transaction. if anybody advised that you go off ByBit to make your transaction, that is a red flag. You might eventually lose your money, and there's no way ByBit can help you regain the money. So always ensure that every transaction that you do to convert your USDT into your local currency, always stay on the platform. So right now I'm going to go with this guy, IDN Tech. So click on him. So let's patronize him or her. So it's telling me that the price has changed. So the advertised price is no longer available. Please order from another advertisement. So it's also another thing that you have to be fast sometimes with placing your trade so that you can always key into the trade. So, but because I stay a longer time, I have to uh, click on confirm and pick someone else again. So the person has already changed his price. So now it's already on 1,627. Let's refresh. So right now it has already changed. So before he was on 1,623. Now he's buying from people at 1,627. I'm the one that I want to sell. So you can see. So you just click on it immediately, and then click on the amount you want to sell. So in this case, I want to sell $20. So if I sell $20, I'm going to get 32,000 Naira in my account. So what do I want? Select your payment method. Select your payment method. So you click on the payment method, as you can see here. You click on the payment method, the drop down icon, and you select the payment mode that you've already saved on Bybit. And as for me, I'm using OPay. So just click on sell. So right now, this is the seller. So the seller is actually selling to me in this case. So let's contact the buyer. So you can just make sure that the buyer is online, and Bybit is already telling you, please be careful. Do not be fooled by fake customer support agents. Real customer support agents have a blue check mark next to their profile. Bybit is not responsible for any loss or damages to assets caused by transactions conducted or initiated outside the platform. As I've said, don't initiate any transaction outside the platform. So you can just type in, hello, are you there? So the the buyer has already marked the transaction as paid. So now let's go and look for whether he has indeed paid or not, because he has already marked as paid, as you can see. So Bybit is asking that I should release the coin, and you should only release the coin after you've confirmed that a payment has already been made to your account. So how do you do this? Ensure you go to the app, your bank app, to actually confirm whether it has really added to your account or not. So just go back. So as you can see, my drop down, I can see 32,540, but that is not enough. Let me go to my OPay to confirm that. So just open your OPay. So so right now you can click on transaction history if you are using OPay. So just to confirm, you have to be very sure, because sometimes it can be very, very tricky. So you can see on the top. Okay, so right now you are rest assured that the money has already been added to your account. If you don't see this, if you don't see successful, please don't confirm the transaction. So you can now go back to Bybit and click on receive release now. So click on release now. So I have checked my bank account or e-wallet and confirmed that 32,540 has been credited. So you tick. I confirm that Idowu Oluwashola has made the payment to me. Tick it. So then you can click on release now. Always make sure you follow these guidelines so that you won't lose your money. Once you lose your money, nobody will help you to retrieve it. So click on acknowledge. So right now, I'm using Google Authenticator. So that is also another way of adding security. So now go to your Google Authenticator, and then uh, copy for ByBit, and then you paste there. So click on confirm. So right now I have completed the peer-to-peer transaction, as you can see on the screen. So I completed selling 20 USDT, and I got 32,540 Naira in my fiat account. I hope this video helps. Kindly give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Until next time, cheers.